Hi there, students. A prank, a noun, or less commonly, to prank as a verb. I think I would almost nearly always use it as a noun. Okay, a prank is a practical joke, a trick that's intended to be funny, but not to something that doesn't cause harm or damage. So, I don't know, at school the kids try to play pranks on their teachers. Notice, to play a prank on somebody. Yeah? My brother's always playing childish pranks on me. To play a trick on someone. Yeah? He finally realized that it was a prank. So, I don't know, a prank. You could stand behind a door and then shout at someone, would jump out at them when they come past. There are lots of little pranks, yeah, to play a trick on someone. I don't know, you could put salt in the sugar or sugar in the salt. That would be a prank. Or maybe you could put a bit of sellotape over somebody's shampoo bottle and the shampoo or the soap won't come out. Yeah, or maybe you could paint a bar of soap with nail polish and then absolutely nothing will happen. It just won't work. Okay, so yeah, putting to booby trap a door with a bucket of water over the top, that's a prank. So it's mildly mischievous. Yeah, I think in the past it used to be a lot stronger. So a prank, a mischievous practical joke. Prank also actually does have another meaning as a verb: to decorate or to dress ostentatiously. He was pranked up in his best clothes, but I think this meaning is pretty unusual. To make an ostentatious display, but no, an amusing trick that should make everyone laugh. Maybe it's a little bit malicious, but yeah, it's funny. I've had enough of your stupid schoolboy pranks. Yeah, your antics, your practical jokes, your japes. Yeah, I've had quite enough of these. Okay, so a prank, a practical joke. He pulled a prank on his sister by dressing up as a ghost. Yeah? Okay, so how formal is this word, a prank? I think it's 5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Yeah? But it's talking about a practical joke. Kids love pranks. And then as to origin, it probably comes from a Middle Dutch word, Dutch, Holland, pronken, which means to make a show of something or to arrange your clothes in the correct way. Okay, so a prank, to play a prank on someone. Why don't you comment on your favorite pranks in the comments section? Yeah, a prank. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A prank, a practical joke.